this kitchen. Eating like you know they tire. You know they give up. Eating they happen. You want to keep your pace like this for me. You still a face from me. You know they forgive person. I have told you countless times that we are just friends. But no, the devil in you just want to ruin my chances of winning the Prince's heart. You just went outside and start professing my love, telling everybody how much you love me. What nonsense? What insolence? What negligence?
But na lie, I lie. But waiting I lie. I don't love you. Now the way I take love you, I they always tell you, see, I can die for you. I can do anything for you. Now you be the person who don't win this my heart. No other woman born of a woman will feel come close to me as you there now. Now you be my beginning and my ending. Any day when you finally tell me, say, you don't like me again, I don't come up for this palace. Now true, I tell you, and you see as you there, no matter what thing they happen for this our relationship, I no one ever see tears for your eyes. So the way they do your face, I know they like, I know they do like say you won't cry. I no one ever see tears in your eyes. In fact, make I even end them now. Make I tell you, if you go feel open your mouth now, tell me say you don't love me. Say that the prince be the only person where you love, that nothing in this life will ever make you like me. I go end them now. Just look into my eyes now. Look into my heart, look into my body and soul, and open your mouth and tell me that me, where I dey here, say you will never love me in this life. You no go give me any chance. I will let you go. Give me a moment. Don't say you don't feel talk.
Yes. Hey, excuse me.
I don't even
pick you.
Miriam.
Baby. Please start talking to me. Each time you call me this really safe, I feel somehow. What's the result?
Really? It has happened.
Yeah?
It has happened.
Talk to me now.
The prince has finally chosen Chikodi as his princess.
Hey! Iche! So the gods had decided to vindicate me and my household. So me, I am Nekwen now. How?
Really?
God.
One more thing. The prince has instructed that Chikodi be brought to the palace. He said he's going to live with him before the marriage rite proper.
Oh, that is not a problem at all now. See, I am going to personally prepare my daughter before you say Jack. Yeah? Now, my daughter will be in the palace.
It's even better. It's even better. It will also give us chance to...
Stop that. I'm not singing. I will reserve the dance for the day. Hey, I'm so happy. Thank you.
No problem. We are there.
How? My daughter, nobody will stop you from shining.
This
is the beginning of great things in your life. And so shall it be.
Chikodi, you shall go to the palace. You shall conquer. You will be triumphant. You see the crown? It will fit your head.
Oh! Chikodi mama. Hey! Chineke Ekene oh. Just like you were born into progress, progress shall never depart from you. Oh, let it be.
I have been reliably informed by Chikodi that the prince wants to play a game. He wants to know how much of a good wife you can be in just 1 month. See, as like now that you know about this, you don't have to allow him to stay up to 1 month to know that you are a good wife. You are going to make him crave you, make him want you. Within few days, and he will announce the marriage proposal. Oh, Nem, I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
You have conquered and you will always conquer.
Ise!
I am so proud of you because you have conquered.
Oh, one mama.
Lala Vani! Lala Bodayu!
It's good now.
Now imagine the crown adding to this one. Oh God, go to
Look at me,
the queen! The queen!
How about a one?
One more somebody, guys. The queen! The queen!
Igwe. So you left the palace gate unguarded. What for? Igwe, you know we have a lot of guards here. So everywhere is well guarded. Security tight.
So what brought you here?
Mikey, can I sit?
My friend, will you get up and talk to me?
Sorry, sir. Your Highness, it's about my girl, Chisom, the cook. Igwe, you know, Chisom is the only reason I'm still working in this palace. I was already tired. I was already fed up with so many things going on in this palace. But she came and renewed my hope. I am still here today is because of Chisom. But the other day here, the prince now said he is choosing Chisom as his wife. You see, how? And
Who told you that my son is interested in that whatever made?
That was the declaration he made the other day. Okay, no, there. I say for what? For what? I want to be sure that he's not serious about whatever he said that day.
No, young man. I don't want to get angry with you. Get back to the gate.
Okay. So
now,
he's not interested or he will not do anything with her.
I said, get back to the gate.
You go.
Fool. Let come. Aso. Useless. Women of Umwada, I salute all of you. My daughter, come over here. It shall be well with you. My daughter, your journey to my palace today shall be fruitful. It shall produce Ozuzueke, Ozuzuafo, Ozuzunpo, Prince Ozuzuoye.
I'm telling you what I saw with my own eyes. We were all dancing. I think the prince must have made his decision before now. Would you be surprised? Considering the outcome of the festival.
But wait though. What's the secrecy of the whole thing? Is there something going on that I don't understand?
I don't know. If there is anything going on, I don't know. But whatever it is, the prince will surely make it known to all of us, sooner or later.
Anyways, I have my own issues that is disturbing me. And right now, I'm feeling ashamed of myself.
What issues is that?
It's Okosisi. I have lost Okosisi over a steamy fantasy. Yes.
It's true. The young man must be going through a lot. You know one thing? I've learned a lot from this festival. Just that I don't have any man that is interested in me. If not, I wouldn't have participated in that festival in the first place.
I'm disappointed though. Honestly. I'm confused. I should have understand this better. Now, how do I approach Okosisi? My own Okosisi.
Your own Okosisi. You better go and apologize to him before it's too late, before another woman take your position.
It's not easy, my sister.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
He will forgive you if he truly loves you. Better go and apologize now that it's too early. Let's go. I think Amaka is not coming.
That's true.
This is where you'll be staying for now, until the marriage rite is concluded.
Thank you so much, my queen. Thank you.
You're welcome. Chikodi.
Yes, my queen.
I am solidly behind you. I want you to try as much as possible to connect to my son's heart. I wouldn't want him to marry a riffraff. Do everything you can to acquire his attention.
I'll try my best, my queen.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Very soon, dinner will be served.
Thank you, my queen.
Where is he?
That's why. He's fast asleep. We don't have anything to worry about.
Are you sure? Are you sure? If not, let's go outside and do this thing.
Who? Is outside better? No, someone else could see us there. I know Ebere. I know how she sleeps. Once she sleeps, till next morning, no matter how bored, she will not wake up anytime soon.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay.
What's going on here?
Baby, you're not sleeping.
Please calm down, lower your voice. Huh?
I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
you okay? What are you doing here? I thought you were given a place to sleep.
My prince, yes. But I can't sleep there. My prince, I want to stay by your side. I want to sleep with you.
Come on, please. You have to return back to your chambers, okay?
My prince, see, just have a taste of me. You will love it. I promise you will enjoy it. You want me every second of your time.
I know. We have time to do all of that, okay? But for now, please, kindly go back to your chambers, please.
My prince, you don't understand. I want you.
Go back to your chambers! Are you mad? Get out! Get out!
Baby, I know you're upset with me, but the truth is that what you saw is not exactly the way you see it.
How long has this been going on between you and Ichiokoli? I want the truth.
It has not been long. We just...
Oh, please, Mama, don't tell me that. Ichiokoli has been very close to this family ever since the death of our father. Don't tell me that this whole thing started all of a sudden. Don't add to my anger, Mama.
Hey, but you, how do you think we have been surviving since the demise of your father? Eh? Who do you think has been helping me? Okay, now come to think of it. Who do you think is fighting tooth and nail for your sister to sit on the throne? In fact, you should know that Ichiokole, even as he is not your father or your sister's father, he has taken you both to his heart. Eh? Don't you love the fact that he's loving you like his own? That man has been there all this while, trying to help me as a widow. Anyway, I'm just telling you, it's not as if I'm seeking permission. But once your sister gets married to the prince, I will get married to Ichiokoli. Yeah, it's for you to choose either to support me or not. That was your problem. It's not my problem. I have told you.
Good morning, my friends.
Did you even sleep at all? Why are you here this early?
Actually, I'm here to apologize over last night. I mean, I was reckless and I overstepped my boundaries. But I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It will never happen again.
It better not happen again. You were out of line. As a woman, your body is your dignity. Flaunting them to me will not give you any direct validation. No, it won't. Your chastity is what will attract me to you. I was very disappointed. Very, very honestly.
Please, my prince, pardon me. I promise you it will never happen again. I promise. I'm sorry.
It's all right. You can go.
Thank you.
My dear, you have the guards and the medics at your disposal.
Gradually, you're coming close to royalty. I want you to act as one. Okay? You will no longer do things by yourself. Whatever you need, summon them, instruct them, order them to do it for you. Okay?
Thank you so much, my queen. You've accepted and treated me with so much love. I really do appreciate it.
Oh, you don't need to thank me. You earned it. It's your right. Coming closer to us is a privilege. Enjoy it.
Thank you, ma.
So how have it been? Have you been able to get closer to my son?
No, ma. But I'm working on it.
Working on it?
Yes.
Whatever you are doing, please, you need to do it very fast. There's no time. If you need anything, let me know.
Certainly, ma.
Osisi, Obi, Okosisi.
What is this?
Osisi, please come. Please come.
Ekene, what is it?
I know I've wronged you. No. I've wronged you. To be honest, I'm a fool. I neglected you for the prince. Please forgive me. I shouldn't have done this. Obi.
Amara, let me ask you a question. Amara, this forgiveness Enoch here now asking for. Will you be here asking for this forgiveness if the prince had chosen you? No, tell me now. You were there shaking yourself, moving your bum bum, doing all sorts of things that you have not even done for me. When I was busy thinking that I'm the one that you are learning the dance for. Even proudly telling my friend, the dance is for me. The dance is for me, not for the prince. You are there shaking everywhere. Places that I've never shaken since you have been dancing for me. You were shaking it for the prince. Now you are here asking for forgiveness.
I know I've wronged you mercilessly. But please, remember our good time, please.
Good time. Okay, good time you say. Eh? Good time you say. So you remember that good time when you were flaunting your nyash for the prince? Eh? It's a teacher about the good times we had together when you were busy dancing and hoping that the prince choose you. And I'm gonna make a big good time. See, I'm gonna give the truth, Amara. I know that we might have gone through a lot. We've gone through good times and bad times together. Sickness and health together. But if for this one, I can never trust you again. Because with this thing now, I am sure that it will repeat itself if I allow it. And I will not allow it to. Start going to your place.
No.
Go to your place.
I love you.
Go and give this dash to the prince.
I love you.
Love and Bukwe here.
No.
Come.
I love you.
Are you not the one I'm calling? Chisom! You are the idiot that almost made me lose my first chance of becoming the queen of this kingdom, right?
But don't let that thing shook my eye.
Now tell me, how has it turned out for you? Eh?
greetings kill you there. Keep your stupid and silly greetings to your dead and stupid ancestors.
You dey mad? They worry you? Me and I'm mates. Boy. Calm down. Hey! Mpa! Wanna calm down here? We just dey conversate, nothing dey happen. Go back. Tio! Don't worry. God will save you now because if your mama born you say carry you for 9 months, go rape or room, go Chagwa Siwa. If they born you, let me go.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Come on, cool. You want to become a princess. You want to turn to a queen all of a sudden, right? Now, listen and listen. Please shut up. What are you doing behind me?
Shut up, your man.
Yeah, like.
Chikodi.
I don't blame you.
Chikodi.
What?
Chikodi.
What is it?
Isi go wow. Isi go wow. Isi go wow. Yeah, just scatter. He don't get good brain. She have a low membrane.
I don't blame you at all. You want to become the queen, right? You see, listen and listen to me. Listen to me. Are you mad? You see now that I will make you stay miserable in this kingdom.
I make you miserable yourself.
You see this palace? I will make it miserable for you. I will do it. If you touch me, I will make sister, what has he proved? She said, slap me. Yes, you slap me. I slap him. Don't you know you're walking around? Give me that. Give me that match and let me kill them. It's your food. Food, my brain. Oh my God, my brain.
Get man at Palace Cook. This combination now, commotion everywhere. They are trouble and wahala.
Oh my goodness! Oh my God, I'm dead! My brain!
Your Majesty, what are you going to do about it?
Father!
Definitely.
Father! Greetings, my king.
Son, you look troubled. What is the matter?
This is the second time I'm getting a strike from that maiden. Barely 24 hours she arrived here. Any more strike, she'll be out of this palace.
Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about Chikodi.
A second strike? What has she done?
Firstly, she came into my room uninvited just to lure me to bed. I sent her out of my room. Secondly, I saw her hitting a maid just because of a little issue.
What? Has she gone crazy?
Igwe, what do you mean by that? You said she entered your room unannounced. So, is she not your wife to be? Whose room do you want her to enter, if not your room? Now you said you will not make choice of a woman unless you get connected with the person heart to heart. So how else do you want her to get connected with you apart from coming to your bedroom? Tell me! Besides, she has every right to scold any servant in this palace that committed an offense.
Mother, I think you seem to misunderstood me lately. Yes. Coming into my room is not enough to win a man's heart. No, Father, have I said something wrong?
No, you've just spoke with wisdom.
And for the record, Mother, she has the right to scold anyone, but not hitting them. She's not paying anyone's salary, and she must respect their services. Any more strike from her, she'll be out of this palace with immediate effect.
Absolutely.
Fetish things, so I hear say a lot of people go use fetish things for this Imobi festival. Many of them go underground work spiritually just because of Imobi festival to get attention of the prince. Hey!
They use juju.
God don't mind, no be small juju.
Ha!
What if somebody can't be so much in love with me now? Can't go to the estate, make go do jazz, make me man fall in love with her. Hey!
Nothing for happen, you for no?
Well, no. I tell you now. Are they spiritually alert? Are they see things so? They born me with special gifts. You know for work.
You for detect?
Yes, I for detect and crash out. You know for work. Very smart. But I want to tell you thank you very much for everything. For always being there.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So if you get chance to use juju on me, you for do am.
We will leave am there. We will not go further. We will just leave am there first.
Get man and palace cuckoo. This combination now wahala. Commotion everywhere. They are trouble and wahala.
Don't keep your hands on me.
Palace cuckoo now wahala. Get man and trouble. Now which kind people be this year?
Chikodi, you have just one lifeline left. You have to be very, very careful while dealing with my son. There are certain things he detests. If you want to maintain your feet in this palace, try and find out his likes and dislikes.
And I need to visit my mother.
You need any help from her?
Yes, Your Highness.
That's no problem. You can go and visit your mother.
Thank you.
Jesus, our palace she don't want trouble. But if we carry trouble,
No, now. This cannot be happening. No, Mbano. Hi.
No. Mama, if nothing is done, I'll be thrown out of the palace in no time.
The gods will not allow that. The gods of our land cannot humiliate us that much. Mbano. Hey, you see that crown? It is yours. It is your right, and you will get it. You know what? Since the prince does not want to behave himself, I will follow this the hard way. Amaro Rebecca. Okay.
What is wrong with her? I'll be back.
Okay.
What was that about?
You did not tell me that you were coming.
Yeah, I didn't plan to come back. If not for the situation I found myself in. Why that reaction towards Mama? What happened?
Why don't you ask her yourself?
I should ask her myself. I left this house in less than 2 days. And you would turn yourself into this. What is wrong? Are you fighting with her?
What's going on with you in the palace?
I bet it's a long story. My chances of being the queen of this kingdom is already too short.
What happened? Susanna, I need your help. My daughter needs your help too. Her stay in the palace is being threatened. I want the prince to be under the control of my daughter. Like, I want my daughter to tie him so that he cannot do anything without involving my daughter. I cannot allow this shame to be for my household. You know me now. No, Mama.
Hey, I have been preparing for this. Chai, something once told me that it might get to this point. Chai.
Exactly. And there is only one source that can get help.
One source? Where is the source? Who is the source? How do we get the source? Please talk.
Akripo.
Akripo? Is that the name of a person?
Who is Akripo?
He will put the focus of the prince only on Chikodi.
Hey, piano. Good. So what are we waiting for? Kaijin?
There is a price.
Price? I am ready to pay any price. Any price. Or if I go get me with money, Abi? Money is not the problem. Just name it.
Well, it shall not say good.
Anomanu. You're welcome, my daughter. There is nothing impossible for Akripo. I am the greatest. You are here because of the prince. He will be totally submissive to your daughter, to all her endeavors. I mean all her endeavors. And nothing can stop him from marrying your daughter. Take this. Take it. Take it. Make sure she wears it all the time. At the first glance, he will fall under her spell.
Thank you so much, great one.
But there is a price to pay.
Great one. I am willing to pay any price. Just mention it.
The price isn't meant for you to pay, but for your daughter. She must avoid every meal made with red oil. Yes, every meal made with red oil. Any form of consumption will nullify the charm. Anomanu.
Thank you, great one.
I told you.
You can now go.
Hey, I forgot something. Just a minute. This bead. You have to wear this bead always. And no one, I said no one should see this bead on your waist. And don't you forget that you should avoid any food that is made with oil.
How? Mama, I don't understand. Avoid what? How then do I survive? No, this is too much. It's too much. Is there any food that is made without palm oil?
Shut up. What do you know? Did I tell you that this is going to be permanent? Did I say it's forever? This is for the meantime.
At least until the priest declares you his wife. By that time, he won't be able to revise it. You just leave me and so you also get nature. You eat everything you want after that.
So I can remove it then?
Yes. But for now, you have to wait and don't allow anybody to see it.
Thank you. Mama, thank you very much. I appreciate
it. You're welcome.
Am I supposed to wait till when I get to...
Are you deaf? Go outside and wait.
Right, Mama. Mama, eat the bad.
Yeah, the bad. The more bad.
Come here.
Where are you coming from since yesterday? I've been searching everywhere.
My prince. Do you miss me? My prince. Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. I've been looking for you since yesterday. Where did you go to?
I went to get something from my house.
I miss you.
Really? Oh, I missed you too, my prince.
Take a walk with me.
Sure.
I really had fun today, Father, with Chikodi. We took a stroll around the kingdom. And of course, you know I've always wanted a woman that will connect to my heart. And Chikodi here aligned with all my expectations.
Wow. I was surprised to hear that from you.
Son, I'm glad too. I think she's going to make a good wife.
Indeed.
I can't eat this.
Why, my love?
Can't you perceive it? It smells so bad. That girl is a terrible cook. Honestly.
She's the palace cook. And she earned her place in my kitchen.
I don't like the aroma coming out from this. It smells so bad. It's funky. I can't eat it. Chisam! Where is that stupid girl? Chisamu!
Amanda Nezi. Amanda Nezi.
You fool! Stupid girl. Did I tell you that I want to eat your stupid and nonsense, disgusting food? Did I tell you? And listen, wait. The next time you want to serve me, you better ask me first. Do you understand?
You know, we say not for throne, now you did throne dining, now you did. My sister, if I beat you, this your face go disfigure. Now me, they talk to like that. So you don't know say Igwe get roaster why they follow. Abi, with your charger bay wig where you wear, so they say you wear better thing. Since it's podjo you put for hair, you know they shave with the dead priest, you know they get yourself.
Are you mad? I mean, are you stupid? You dare challenge me?
See, ma tell you, no, excuse me. You the chat talk now say you're more important than Lolo? No, wait first. Are you trying to say that Lolo not be anybody? Because you dey put yourself as the girl, as the first person here. So Igwe now go leave Igwe and Lolo, come they face you. You this girl.
Hey.
Now one couple respect yourself.
Enough. What is it? Must we all follow the palace roster? If she wants egusi, cook egusi for her separately. Why are you making a fuss out of nothing? Huh? Whatever she wants, prepare it for her.
Okay. You don't notice something, I say your son really talk. Now something they talk true.
Spirit?
Spirit. And a bad spirit, you need to cast a bite. If not be say, I don't already get what I did do now for go 40 days fasting for him. But I know fit you. I need salary. You need to pray for him. They say, you understand? So let they do that kind of thing.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
The next time you cook this nonsense meal and bring it here, I will have you out of this palace. Who ordered you to eat this cucumber?
My guy.
You care for more? Go ahead and take.
I care for more.
Please.
No, thank you so much for your intervention. She's so disrespectful to me. Why don't you respect me? Are you mad?
Take it easy.
Can you imagine?
Not to yourself with every sense of civility.
Don't worry. I will personally go to the kitchen and cook something you're going to like.
Chopper. Let me. Chopper.
Can you imagine?
Conduct yourself with every sense of civility.
She's too rude.
It's okay. I will personally go into the kitchen and cook something sumptuous.
Our palace is no one trouble. But if we carry trouble, chai, she not gonna shake you. She dey call up Jesus.
My prince, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be sleeping.
I don't know. I can't sleep without you.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I'm just feeling some kind of way.
Where were you last night, son?
Father, why the question?
Will you answer my question and stop answering a question with another question?
Well, I was with the love of my life.
Wait a moment. You slept with a maiden in the same room?
Father, why are you so... am I committing any crime?
Can you hear yourself? You were the person who turned down the offer when it was first presented to you.
Well, Father, I was blinded then. But now I can see clearly that Chikodi is all I needed. She's everything I ever wanted.
I guess you are the one talking. Has something gone wrong with you, my son?
Father, nothing is wrong. I can't be more better than this. Chikodi is all I want, Father. Father, I have to go now. I need to go prepare something delicious. A good breakfast for her. I'll see you later.
Something is definitely wrong with my son.
Read him.
Iche.
Oh, I got it.
Iche, what are you doing here? You are no longer welcome here.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You heard me. Your presence in this compound has been compromised. You no longer have free access to come to this house, not under my watch.
Okay. But is that because of what you saw the other night? Eh? Don't bother yourself. Don't worry yourself. Listen, I and your mother has agreed to be man and wife. So you don't need to bother yourself.
Ichie, you cannot marry my mother. Have some shame. I thought you were my father's friend before he died. I did not know that his death made a path for you to enter. My father must be rolling in his grave, watching you do what you are doing with his wife.
Ben.
Really?
You're welcome. I heard noise. What is going on?
It's about this man not coming to this house anymore.
And why is that? So you have grown to the level of distinguishing who visits and who doesn't visit me in my own house. My own house! Eh?
Mama, this is my father's house. My father, your husband. I mean, Mama, I know that sometimes you can be little over your head, but I never knew that you could be this heartless and disgusting. Mama, you are shameless. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Did you hear? Me. Disgusting. Shameless.
Yeah. Really? Don't worry. Sometimes these little girls, they can be jealous. Yeah?
Jealous?
Don't mind her. Eh? But you see, how they will also talk with you.
Yeah? Ebe.
Is she not a woman?
Very gillistic. Sit down. Disgusting.
Sit down.
In my house. I don't know what is wrong with your girls. Why don't they allow their bereaved mothers to enjoy themselves while they are still alive? Once their father dies, you will not have anything to do with any man again.
It is jealousy.
Hi!
Jealousy. Huh?
Anyway.
Listen, as you are doing, they also want to do.
So, they won't wait till they get married. Am I supposed to die with my husband? Have I not tried? I want him like a woman should want her husband. I want him. Ichi, you have every right to come here anytime you deem fit. I am not owing any human being. If she's not comfortable with that, she should go and get married and leave my house for me. What is that?
At least we can have little chance to continue our business. Huh?
You think this is... You made that girl insult me. I'm disgusting because I am trying to enjoy my life after her father's demise.
Okuno. Something is not right in this palace.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
That girl Chikodi, there's this evil spirit and aura she carries. That girl that they brought for the priest. There's this evil spirit and aura she carries around.
Jesus, are we still on this princess saga? Let's forget about
No,
this.
This is not that princess saga. This is different. I know what I'm saying. You see, every night there's this spiritual powers that rove around this vicinity. I can feel it whenever I'm sleeping. Then, yesterday night when I served them dinner, that was when I confirmed that girl is not an ordinary person.
Wait. Are you a normal girl with a touch of Obanje? Are you an easy one? Are you practicing sorcery? What is going on? Eh?
Did I tell you I'm a spiritualist? I just told you what I observed. See, let me tell you, there's something you don't know about me. Jokes apart. I was born with a gift. And that gift is... I detect evil when I see one. I can sense things before they happen. When there's an evil presence in a gathering, I can feel it. I can sense it. And I can spot it. And that is why I'm telling you, Chikodi is not ordinary.
So like me now, is there any evil following me? Like me?
The only evil following you is poverty.
Jesus.
The spirit of poverty is hovering around you. It's okay.
Get my balance This confrontation now, commotion everywhere. They are trouble and wahala.
Chikodi, how did you do it? I can see my son has suddenly gotten fond of you.
My queen, the prince has always loved me. He just wanted to play hard to get. And you know I'm a woman, so I know my way around his heart.
I can see that. You are sounding more confident.
Of course I should be. I mean, as the future queen, I should be more confident.
I can see that. Ah. Wow, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
That is what I've expected of you.
Thank you so much, my queen.
You're doing well.
Thank you. It's for the kingdom.
Oh, my priceless jewel.
My lord, what are you waiting for? Are you going to wait for a whole month before you get married to me?
Oh, come on. No. No, because I found love in your eyes.
Then marry me now.
Come with me. My king.
So?
I have decided to make Chikodi my bride. Please announce to the people of our land that I, Prince Ahanna, I have made a choice.
You said 1 month and it's barely 1 week.
Father, I know what I said and I take it back. I am ready now.
Ahanna, I have never known you to be a man of swift decisions, especially matters deep. What has changed?
Father, Chikodi changed everything. She changed my life for better, and I'm not ready to lose these gifts that I've been given. Declare this wedding at once, and in a matter of days, we shall be saying our vow.
It's all right. I'll take it up with the Council of Elders.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, my king.
It is done.
Thank you. Thank you, my king. I'll be aside.
Why do I have the feeling that something fishy is going on in this house? I mean, since when does the prince start making hasty decisions?
What are you talking about?
Oh, your son Ahanna insists he must marry Chikodi just in a matter of days.
Really?
Oh, yes.
I see. It's as if that Chikodi has taken dominance over our son. Yes, I'll be keeping close watch on her. I am having the feeling that she is having a kind of control over him.
Well, someone has to calm him down. Oh yes, because the rate he's going, it might turn catastrophic. I mean, he appears like someone whose brain box has been stolen and he is moving out of control.
I don't know if I should talk to him.
Go ahead. He may have your confidence and disclose certain things to you.
I think I'll do that.
you better do.
Hannah. He doesn't want to be disturbed. Hannah.
Where is my son?
I just said he doesn't want to be disturbed.
Are you mad or something? How dare you? How dare you stand as an obstacle between my son and myself? Do you realize you are standing before the queen of this kingdom?
With all due respect, old queen, you're also speaking and standing before the future queen of this kingdom. And as such, your words are abominable.
You are sick in the head. Open that gutter, you come out again, and I'm going to deal with you here. Get out! Out!
No. I said get out! You should leave. This is my husband's room. Get out!
Husband?
Yes.
Chikodi, get out of this place.
Old queen, get out! Get out! I said get out!
Shut up! Shut up! Who are you to speak with?
What is going on here?
My priest, she pushed me. She even slapped me.
What? Why would you do such a thing?
Anna, so you asked this girl to deprive me access to you?
I just want to have a alone time with my woman. It's not too much to ask.
At the detriment of your mother?
Mother, what do you want?
I want to speak with you.
I'm all ears.
Alone.
Mother, please, you can say whatever you want to say before my woman here, Chikodi. She's my wife to be.
She is not your wife. Ahana, stop pushing an agenda that is not yet valid.
Mother, please, if you do not feel free or comfortable saying whatever you want to say before her, then there is no need for this conversation.
Is that what you want?
It is what it is, Mother.
My love, she slapped me. Your mother slapped me. Your future queen.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I mean, I don't know why she had to slap you.
I want her head.
I made you some bushmeat.
Thank you, my dear, but I'm not hungry.
As always, I wonder how you survive without food.
There is something I want to tell you. I think it is your right to know this.
What is it?
Your true identity. Your father's true identity and his origin.
My dear, smooth is the word. As I speak to you now, the prince is so much in love with my daughter that he does not allow her to leave his side.
I told you that the perfect person for the work is Akripo.
I believe you. The only thing I'm waiting for now is the wedding date. Completely sealed.
Okay, we're going for now, Nugodi. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
The remaining one for the governor.
Hey, Mezituni Ruga. Put some network on this face. Meanwhile, please go inside. Get more drinks for my friend. She deserves it.
Yes. Rebecca, what is wrong with her?
Oh, that one? Forget her. She's just being a child that she is. My interest now is Prince getting married to my daughter to make me a mother. What if was that?
Rebecca, I know you. I'm sure that all this no way with that girl. I'm enough now. Your interest is on the prince getting married to... Bam! For governor.
Meanwhile, this drink is still many. You're asking for... Hey,
anyway, I'll take to the children.
Nothing. Family problem. I said family problem.
What poison are you preparing?
Stop that! What are you doing? You alright? What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't see what I'm saying. You get mad? What? You say what I prepare? Which kind talk can be that one? What is that one? That's salt I put now. I don't salt. Why? Is it food? Not be easy now. I don't salt. If you get fear, say I don't pass on many times. Pass on now. Are you toiling with me? Pass on. Sister, pass this salt.
You're toiling with me. Huh? You're a witch! You're a witch!
Pass on now.
You're so evil!
Are you evil?
I'll deal with you. My love! I'll deal with you!
So this girl now what I suspect say she be. Mozambique.
My love! I need your help.
What is it, my love?
I want you to help me get some beverage from the kitchen. I don't know what that stupid maid did. It smells so bad. I couldn't even stand it for a second.
Oh my God. What the heck is wrong with that pig? Is that all you want?
Yes, I need someone to help shove some brains into her empty skull. She's stupid.
I'll be right back.
Thank you, my love.
Enetahara o, enetahara. Wow, enetahara. Come on, God, don't eat it. Ya don't know for. Wow, enetahara. Jesus. Jesus.
What is smelling here? What did you do?
Yeah? Nothing they smell. Nothing they smell. I don't see they perceive. Me, I know they perceive anything.
Are you mad? Are you telling me that my woman is lying?
No, your woman is not lying. Your woman not tell anything is perceiving when she come. She not tell anything. She not tell me say something they smell.
Are you trying to say that my woman is lying?
No, my woman won't get body order. No, that she not perceive something. No.
So I am talking, and you are also talking as what? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Mother, I will kill this idiot. No one has the right to make my woman uncomfortable in this palace. Ever! Give it to me. Hey!
Hannah!
Give it to me. Fool!
Chiso.
What's happened? My food. slapped you? As I was at the number here, I was thinking, come on, I done it, you had the run up. One in Tara, in the Tara, one in the Tara. The next day, I stand up. I wanted something, but the thing no green head. I can't stand up. It's something they smell. I said nothing smelling. Until I persist something, I said I don't get body odor. I said I didn't get body odor, but I talked that one for my mind. Now I just say my woman get body odor. Eat that way! Make me not say I earthquake now. You think you did that way? Nah,
just because of that girl, he slapped you?
Slapped me. And when you get come for the kitchen, you guys see me. You not talk anything. You just tell me, say, so what do you do? I say my hands are clean. My queen. Now just say I don't want to talk. The girl get body odor. You know, say not only me know. Even you know. I did notice if she pass you the way they put your face. She get body odor, but not before my mouth. You go hear her. Now you saw your take on give me that wipe for my face. Person picking 9 months. Now he wipe slap like this.
What is wrong with Hannah? I am surprised the way he behaves these days. Eh? That girl has become a negative influence on my son.
Big one, no.
And I have to do something about it,
You guys do something because your 9 months don't they waste, my queen. Your 9 months don't they nanny. May you help them, help them. Before I go help people, children, disfigure them. Oh, yeah, mama. I'm going my children, my family. Not again.
Hey! Guards! What about the car? Is it ready?
Yes.
Oh, good. Good. Let's go.
Cross here.
What do you mean you can cross here? Let's go.
No, I cannot cross. Can't you see? Can you see it?
See what?
I can't cross it. Let's go inside.
I can see anything. Please, we are late. Let's go.
I can't cross it. Let's go back.
Are you okay?
What's going on? Greetings, Father. I don't know. We're about leaving, and suddenly she said she can't cross here. What's that?
Is it not just to cross? Cross, let's end this cantankerous situation.
Igwe! Igwe, the bond is here. Wait, let it cross here. Sister Adonai, cross here. If you not say, you pure as they see you like this. Say you not tie this our innocent prince. You not tie and down. Say you not use something when you put for here. Let put for. Hey!
No go break one egg.
If you don't use something where they here, take tire, then sweat, cross here. You are very stupid. You're mad.
Leave her. Now noise you go face make.
You say me they're very stupid. See man tell you for the village where I come from. Ibuku, once anybody that they suspect say you they do jazz, once they put oil and salt for ground, you cross am. Your dog go. So cross am, we they suspect you.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you speak to the future queen of our land in such a way?
My prince, we are sorry, you know they get yourself, not be you they talk. Like the sham, the kayamata in you, now they talk through you.
The kayamata they give them bad matter for head.
This guy, I won't go for man now, cross here.
No.
I don't tell this prince, say if normal people they talk, we they normal. You know say prince they abnormal.
Make you know they put man.
So you know supposed they put man, because you know they get himself. You know to the shit, you know say they slap person.
Ahana!
Chikodi, cross it.
Sissy, honestly, I do not know why you all are stressing my
Will you shut?
You play the show.
What did you do to the
They talk, you say you will compare, you will win. I tell you, I'm not going to walk. Enough! Anything I want. Let me talk now. There your body. Out of your body now! Out of your body! Lose it! Every stronghold! Fire! Every stronghold!
Man, she's my daughter. Give it to me. Sure.
To do it. Talk now.
My love, I'm sorry. She just gave it to me too. I spell on the print.
Hey! Our Nuna Manu don't walk, our try along. Nuna Manu go shock him. Jesus! Oh, yeah, Bube! I'm surprised you go Igwe! Oh, Igwe not surprised. They're not surprised Igwe. Okay. Igwe, this one pass. I think saying are you.
I'll confess. Only oil can nullify it. This oil. Is it good?
Chikodi, don't cross now. Tell me, man. Drink the oil. Open your mouth and God who made me. God who made me. If I slap it. Hey! Give back. Give back. Give back. Give back. Give back. I'm drinking for a month. I'm drinking. 1 liter. I put 1 liter I drink. 1 full liter.
My love.
There you are.
I don't want it. You want the free? I'll give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. Yes. Give it to her.
I'll give it to her.
Okay. Let me take it. Give it to her. Yes. Can I take it outside? Yes. Don't take it outside. Yes.
Hey, come and do what? Come on, ask for your word. What do you mean?
It's because of this magic. If not, you don't know me. You go fuck my
All this while, I was under a spell. I was controlled by a woman. I agreed to your terms and every other person in this kingdom. I forfeited everything I ever wanted just to please you. And this is all I get.
Son, I am sorry. I take all the blame. Yeah. I have failed you. But please, just find a place in your heart to forgive your mother. I beg you, please.
How do I forgive all of this? How?
You don't have to force it. Eventually, we all will live to bury our past. Please.
I cannot believe that Chief Okoli has a hand in all this.
No wonder she has been so keen on making sure Chikodi becomes the prince's choice.
Ikenade,
Eh?
let me shock you.
Eh?
The daughter revealed to me everything. Yes.
That.
She even told me how Ichiokole have been sleeping with the mother after the death of the father.
Can you hear that?
What are you? I'm telling you.
Hey!
Believe me.
To fear Kwa. Oh. They deserve all they have gotten. Every one of them. Such people are not supposed to be in this our kingdom. We don't need them. At all.
Father, with all due respect, I have decided with or without your approval to go for my first choice, Ekene, the girl you all tagged slave. I have decided to spend the rest of my life with her.
Well, I have no problem with your choices. You see, but then I do not think that girl is still anywhere around here. From the information I gathered, I heard she was driven out of their house. And even as we speak, no one knows if she's still alive or not.
She's alive, Father. I can feel it. I will just go in search of her.
We'll look for her. Well, no problem. We'll send message across. She must be brought here, dead or alive.
I'll take my leave.
I will go with you if you want to.
Did you heard of ongoing search of Ekene? The king even placed a reward on whosoever that finds her and bring her to the palace.
Oh, I'm indeed happy to hear this. My friend has been treated unfairly for so long. She deserves this breakthrough. She deserves it. Did you hear that the prince wants to make her his wife if she's been found? Just as the gods have ordained it from the start. She deserves this, so she deserves better.
Yes, so that wicked Rebecca and her daughter have really frustrated her. I feel for her.
Don't worry. She will be found. Just believe she'll be found.
Amen. No.
She'll be found.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world.
Ekene. Ekene. It's time for you to go back to your kingdom. You are free. Destiny has smiled at you.
Go where? I can't go back. My stepmother will kill me.
She can't anymore. Everyone that troubles you cannot do that anymore. You are free.
What are you saying?
I've gathered you enough. It's time for me to say goodbye forever.
What are you saying? You are scaring me.
I was given a chance to help you through your toughest parts. Your destiny awaiting.
I've been with my mother all this while. Mama.
I can rest in peace now, finally. Being with you one more time is the best thing life can offer.
Mama. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Ebe muzina, madi begi. Ebe muzina, madi begi. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world.
It's you. The slave girl. The girl that connects deeply to my heart.
My prince, I'm not a slave. I know my roots and I'm a true blood of Umada. My father was a true blood of Umada but relocated at a young age to a distant land. Fate connected him to my mother, but death took them away from me, leaving me in the hands of my wicked stepmother. But I still remain one true blood of Umada, and I earn my spot in the festival of Imobi.
Well, I care less about all of that. Be it true born or not, I choose you. And I will choose you over and over again. Ekene, marry me.
I'll marry you, my prince.
Oh, come here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Father, finally, I have a bride.
I bless you this day with Bishop Rain. Your journey to my household shall be fruitful. You shall have a clan of Ozuzueke, Ozuzuafa, Ozuzueye, Ozuzuko.
Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Ebebuzina, mani begi. Ebebuzina, mani begi. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Ebebuzina, mani begi. Ebebuzina, mani begi. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Whatever you sow, you shall reap in this world. Life, is this how you treat me? Oh, amor, I was a two-a-kiss in memory. Whenever